He's just a guest.
Okay.
Hey guys, today we're going to be doing Nerf Wars with the Retaliator and the Rampage. And the machine gun, which is up here.
And
This is my friend Ian.
And this is my friend Tyler.
I'm new to this channel.
And I'm one of his friends, and you might be noticing me from other channels of Cup Up, Cup Down. And yeah, that's it for me.
Oh, and please leave a like down below and subscribe.
Okay.
Let's get started.
All right, don't pause, and then you can just start play. It's okay.
Not yet. Hey, Tyler,
Hey
get
guys,
your positions.
let's get started.
All right, this is mine.
Wait. This is our base.
We're getting in positions. Ready, guys?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Guys, we're ready.
Stop.
Hey, Tyler. Look at me. You have to point that at me. Point that at me.
Wait, it's not working. It's not working. It's not working.
Okay, got it. Yeah,
No, I'm not out.
I'm not.
Oh, okay.
We can move around the house also. I forgot to tell you guys that.
What's that?
I forgot to tell you guys that we can play around the house. We have different hiding spots. We have a lot of hiding spots actually. So, yeah, mine isn't really working right now.
Here we go.
We have to reload it because I think one of them got jammed. Dude, that was mine. That was mine. That one's mine.
Okay, here we go. Oh. Coming
Hey
up.
guys, I'm on my hood
Okay,
position.
here, you can have this one.
No. When you're on reload position, you can't get shot.
You can't shoot me either.
Hey, no shooting on my face.
Then you know shoot my arm. Where's the gun?
Yeah, it's the reloading.
Guys, I'm still reloading. Sorry if it's taking a bit.
Oh.
I just need to find 1, 2, 3.
Come on. You're
Guys,
harsh,
I'm
man.
getting back.
You're harsh. Take yourself.
Help Tyler.
I lost my bullets already. Oh, never mind. Guys, I still have a couple.
Are you jammed? Are you out, Tyler?
No.
Take out your clip. You're not.
You have to like shake it sometimes.
Tyler, item, you? Tyler, cover me. I'm gonna get the hiding place I'm out too.
Okay, oh.
Tyler's dead. Tyler's dead. Look at him. He's dead. There are a lot of dead people here.
Hey, I'm not dead.
No, we have to restart, and we have to restart where we started, in our first position.
Okay.
Part 2 is gonna be later.
We're starting at 10, 9, 8, 7. No, you guys can still do it. Revive in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Revive.
Revive? Okay. Are you out of the bullets?
Yeah. After reload before I get to.
Alright. Do you want to just pause this now? Can you pause this?
Yeah.
Is this pause?
Yeah.
Wait, I need to save some words.
Oh, that's picture.
I need to save some words.
Oh.
Part 2 would be later. Bye.
We can shut it off now and then do the second part.
Yeah, sure.
Part 2 is later, okay, guys?
Bye. Oh, come on! Press it.